What to expect when you have an EV charger installed in your home. Hey everyone, and welcome to the automotive class. Today, we're going to be talking about what to expect when you have an EV charger installed in your home. We're going to cover everything from the different types of chargers to the cost of installation, and we'll even give you some tips for apartment dwellers and office workers. So, whether you're just thinking about getting an EV or you've already made the switch, this video is for you. Most EV drivers do 80 to 90% of their charging at home, so installing a top-notch charger is a no-brainer for those looking to improve the battery-powered driving experience. Although YouTube is full of instructional installation videos for brave dyers, most people hire an electrician for the job. Electrical work is dangerous and complicated, and burning down your house is a lot more expensive than hiring a pro. Plus, an installation team will walk you through the process, from choosing a charger to permitting and final touches. To see the process firsthand, I contacted Merit, the company Chevrolet uses to offer installations for new Chevy Bolts. They connected me with Capital Electric to do a ride along in the Chicago suburbs. Here's what we saw along the way, and what you can expect if you get an electric vehicle hookup in your own home. The installation process has come a long way in the last several years, much like the EVs themselves. Most home installations are level 2 chargers. Public, level 3 fast chargers are not installed in homes. There are 3 types of EV chargers available today: levels 1, 2, and 3. Each charge is faster than the previous level and requires more energy. Level 1 chargers plug into a standard wall outlet, 120V, and often come with the vehicle at purchase. Besides Teslas, as of earlier this year, they do not require an electrician or any installation in general. Just plug in. Unfortunately, they are slow, often taking 10 or more hours to recharge the typical car battery. But if you mostly run quick errands around town with occasional multi-hour trips, a level 1 charger is the cheapest option. Level 2 chargers are a big upgrade, as charging takes half the time, 4 or 5 hours. Almost always home charger installation involves a level 2. Level 2 chargers often require adjustments to your home's electrical system, such as installing dedicated circuits and outlets. You'll also find these chargers in public parking lots, like at the grocery store or a restaurant. Level 3, or DC fast chargers, are the quickest, 30 to 60 minutes, but they are publicly owned. You'll find them at highway rest stops, for example. Fast charging, including Tesla supercharging, also requires an immense amount of energy that will rapidly degrade any EV's battery if plugged in daily. Popular level 2 home chargers. You can acquire many level 2 chargers yourself, or, if you hire an electrician, use one they have in stock. The electricians we spoke to most commonly install the following chargers: Tesla wall connector, $400. Tesla J 1772 wall connector, $550 for non-Tesla EVs. Wallbox Pulsar Plus, $650 to $700. Juicebox, $669 to $739. ChargePoint, $749 to $919. Amazon has a wide variety of options as well. Note the length of the charging cord before you buy, usually around 20 feet, to ensure it will reach from the wall to your car's port. Chargers also come with a mobile app that allows you to view your charging status. How much does it cost to install a level 2 charger? After speaking with 3 electricians, $2,000 seems to be the average cost. $500 to $800 for the charger itself, plus labor and additional supplies like wiring. But that's for the simplest scenario, where the electrical panel is close to the garage. The garage is attached to the home, and only one charger is being installed. Are there tax rebates for home charger installation? The Federal Inflation Reduction Act, passed in August 2022, provides a 30% credit, up to $1,000, for home charger installation. There are also state incentives. Illinois, for example, reimburses up to 80% of the cost of a home charger installation. You can find all EV-related rebates in your state here. It's important to look closely at the details to confirm they will apply to your purchase. It's a very tricky landscape for the consumer to navigate, as discounts and rebates are offered by so many jurisdictions: federal, states, even counties, municipalities, and certainly the utilities. Tips for apartments and offices. Shared buildings follow the same basic installation guidelines, but they are more complex to set up and maintain since they can be used by multiple drivers. The building owners will need to determine the power needs, get permits, decide which chargers to use and how many, carve out EV-specific parking spots, and determine an equitable payment method. For payment, the Chicago Installation Guide for Multi-Unit Dwellings outlines 3 options. The building charges each EV owner a fixed monthly rate. The building covers the cost as a perk to residents. Install a submeter for the charging station, billing the EV owner based on readings from the submeter for just their usage. It also may be possible to operate them like any other public charger. A driver creates an account with the company, linked to their credit card, which they insert in the machine before charging like a gas pump. The project manager would need to work with the charging and utility companies to explore options. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great automotive content.